Hi, I'm Odin Green, and I'm doing a repertoire of songs here on YouTube. This next song is a song I wrote when I was 8 years old. It's called Sunshine. It's the birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees, but the most thing of all, sunshine, it's a beautiful day. Sunshine, hope you see it my way. Sunshine, hey, 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 today, oh yeah. It's the people and the seas and the crowds and the keys and the most thing of all, sunshine, it's a beautiful day. Sunshine, hope you see it my way. Sunshine, hey, 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 hey. Sunshine, it's nice to know. Sunshine, it's better to go. Sunshine, it's been a great show. Sunshine, ho, ho, ho. It's the cows and the fleas and the bums on the knees, but the best thing of all, sunshine, it's a beautiful day. Sunshine, I'm glad you saw my way. Sunshine, hey, hey, hey. Sunshine, sunshine.